Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys my full process from prep to the final product. I don't do it often, so I just wanted to get on here and show you guys my full prep process. But as you can see, all I'm doing starting off is going in with a drill point nail bed and just completely removing all cuticles off of my nail beds. It's very important that you fully remove your cuticles off your nail beds because this can be one of the main causes of lifting and your nails popping off easily. So it's very important to fully remove your cuticles off of your nail beds. And here I'm going in and switching drill bits, and I'm just going in with a more precise bit just to fully make sure that those cuticles are off of my nail beds. Notice I'm specifying off my nail beds. I'm not removing my cuticles. Some people do like to remove their cuticles and do, like the Russian manicure method, but not me. Personally, I don't find it necessary, and removing your cuticles can be a major cause of infection. So I just make sure that they're fully off of my nail beds, and that's sufficient enough for me, but totally up to you. Lastly, I'm going in with a fine grit sanding band. This is all on the lowest speed possible, and I'm just making sure that my nail beds are completely rough and there are no shiny bits, because that's going to give you the best application. Alrighty, so now I'm going in and just dusting off all of that dust away. For my prep tools, I'm going to be using this nail dehydrator. I purchased this from Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave the link to it down below. Next, I'm going in with some Young Nails Protein Bond. I absolutely love this stuff. Definitely changed my nail prep game for me. So if you've never tried it, I know it's a little bit on the pricey side, but I definitely recommend giving it a try. This product has changed the game for me. Like, my nails last as long as I want them to, and I truly believe it's because of that product. So 10 out of 10 recommend. And the final step is going in with a base coat. So I'm going in with this base coat by OPI and just applying that to my nails and curing for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So for today's nail look, I'm using my Almond Short Soft Gel Full Nail Covers. These are becoming one of my favorites. I don't know. You guys see my last few videos were with this shape, and I don't know. I feel like it really complements my hand, but I feel like that about all my nail shapes. So I just get in my moods. But this link will be down below in the description box. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing is going in and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. Alrighty, so now we're going to use my solid nail tip glue gel. I absolutely love this stuff, and it makes the process of applying nails so much quicker, easier, faster. But all I'm doing is going in and applying that to my nails. I sped this up, but honestly, this whole process, I'm looking at my time card now. It started at about 4 minutes and 45 seconds, and it ends at 5 minutes and 30 seconds on 2 times the speed. So look, y'all do the math. It took me legit 2 minutes to put these all 5 fingers on, which is crazy because doing like the polygel method, don't get me wrong, I still love polygel, I still love acrylic nails here and there, but this method is just so quick and easy, and they last so long. A lot of people asking me how long it lasts. They last until you want them to come off. So if you haven't tried my solid nail tip glue gel, definitely recommend it. It cuts your nail time literally a quarter of the time, not even half, and I'm obsessed with this product. But as you can see, I do my thumbs separately, and that's just because when it comes to curing, you want to make sure you cure with this. I like to always cure my thumbs separately just because your thumb does need that special attention. So here's what the nails are looking like. Super fast and easy process. Now we're going to get into the design, which it honestly takes me the longest now to do my designs. But I'm going in with these. I didn't show the full process, but I did do some drilling around the cuticles on my full nail covers before I did the design. I'm going in with this rubber base coat gel polish by Nails Cat Cat, and I'm doing a builder method, so you can kind of see I just like swirl and then I just build. And this just helps make the nail more stronger, and I like a more full coverage look. You can just go in with this and just, do a full layer and just wipe it on as you would a regular gel polish, but doing this builder method kind of helps it become like a more, I don't think opaque is the word, a deeper shade. I don't know. You guys know the word I'm trying to look for, but yeah, I go in with this method and you'll see why in a second. But I also do want to mention that if you're using a rubber base coat, or some people may call it a builder gel, you do want to go in with a line art brush and clean up the sides and just make sure that your gel polish is completely covering the nail, because you can definitely miss the sides when you're doing this method. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my nails and let you guys watch me work. Also, a side note, I do 2 layers of this. Alright, so I do also go in and wipe down the nails before curing each layer, just so the nails don't get bulky on the outsides. And now we're going to go ahead and do the designs. So I'm going to use this white polish by Beetles. I love Beetles polish. I'll have a link to one of my favorite kits down below. This nail art palette that I got from Shein is time to be retired. I will be purchasing more because it's just starting to get like crazy. But I'm just going in and I'm doing French nails. I don't know. I just do, I don't know what it is about having a good line brush and doing your French tips, but there's so many different ways you can do French nails, so many different methods. You can do that rubber stamp method. I mean, you can do a lot to achieve a French tip. They've got like stencils and everything, but I don't know what it is about hand drawing on a French that always just does it for me. That's my preferred method. Don't recommend this brush. I got this from Shein, but I do recommend a different type of brush, and I'll be sure to put that link down below. I used it after this video and they 10 out of 10. I'll put the link to that down below, not this, but yeah. I'm just going in and doing my French designs. Y'all, I'm so excited about this because I'm about to do all my nails like this. As you can see, I'm using like a milky white builder base on top of this builder base, and it did exactly what I needed it to do. I wanted my nails to be like a flush nude type of color. Like I wanted it to be like a nude type of French, and it was just giving too white. Like the French was just giving too white, you know, and the Frenchy, that's the shade of the builder base I used, was just giving too nude, and it just like completely transformed the shades and made it perfect. So like you can see, it's kind of like a nudie French. Absolutely 10 out of 10 recommend buying that milky white builder base. I'll have the link to it. That is from Amazon. All right, so I just went in with some 80/80 grit nail files. You need to get them. End of story. Get 80/80 grit nail files off Amazon. Just try it. You won't regret it, and you're welcome. But I'm going in now and wiping my nails down with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol before I apply my stickers. These were also purchased off of Amazon. Love them. We'll leave them down below. They don't last long though. I'll say the stickers stay on your fingers for maybe about a week, but they were like made for my full nail covers, I feel like, because look at that. Are you kidding me? It literally fits my nail to a T, the length and everything. So I did this trick to make them last a little bit longer, because if you just put the sticker on, they're done within the day. So I went in with some nail tip glue that you would use, you know how people used to do that other method. Yeah, I just went in with that and applied the sticker and cured. I went in with that and applied the sticker and then cured towards the bottom, and then I peeled it back a little bit and applied more nail glue and cured the rest of the nails, if that makes sense. So I started towards the bottom and then I just went in and cured it like that. And then after that, I also went in with a matte top coat and cured on top of that. And that helped my nails last for about a good week, or the stickers last a good week. So now I'm going in with a top coat. This one is by Model Ones, and this is one of my favorites. I need to explore some new top coats because I want something like super duper shiny that lasts and it doesn't go dull. So if you have any recommendations, please be sure to leave them down below. But yeah, I'm going in and topping off my nails, and then I'm going to be putting on my rhinestones. I always top off my nails before my rhinestones because I don't personally like the top coat on top of rhinestones look. It just, I don't know, it's giving tacky, so I do my rhinestones after. But yeah, I'm going in with this drill point rhinestone glue. You need it off of Amazon. If you do rhinestones, you need it in your life. Just click the link and get it because it makes life so much easier. It makes applying rhinestones so much faster. And also my rhinestones are from Amazon as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply my bling and then I'll be right back. So I went in and applied another sticker. I didn't do my nail glue method on these, and that's how I know that these stickers don't last if you don't do that method. I put this on and it was like very sticky. It was secure, but after literally 24 hours, half of the sticker had fell off. Like, ooh, giving ghetto. So you definitely need to do that method with the nail glue and then top coating it. So I'm going in with my citrus cuticle oil. Love this cuticle oil. It is available for purchase in my Etsy shop as well. But I'm just going in and hydrating my cuticles. And here's the final design. I absolutely love these nails. I love like I think they call them like snude. I don't know, like a subtle nude, pinky nude designs. It gives me like bridal almost, you know? But if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel and lets me know that you guys are loving my content. If you aren't already, follow me on TikTok. I post quick little nail art designs twice a week, and my link to that will be down below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're enjoying these consistent uploads, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.